Hey there, and welcome to my little corner of paradise here in South Mississippi. Today, we had a storm. Wasn't bad, but kept us from working a lot in the garden. But I got something accomplished, and I'm so tickled I can't stand it, and I got to show it to you. Hang on. We got both of those beds filled up. We got this bed lowered, taken off of its legs, and put on the ground like I wanted it. And there is the new raised bed, full of soil and just waiting for me to plant something. I still haven't weeded those peppers yet. Y'all, I'm kind of scared. That's going to be an endless job right there. And look, one pepper done fell off. And over here, I got this one filled up with soil, and it's ready to plant as well. So I could not be any happier. Look at my okra. Ain't she pretty? There's another one, but I'm not real sure what's going on with that. Looks like it might be making a flower first. Or maybe, let's see. Oh! Look! It's a green one. Some of those okra plants are burgundy okra, and then some of them are Alabama, some kind of okra that are green with a little bit of red striping in it. They're little short squatty okra about that big. The burgundy okra is longer and thinner. So that's what we got done today, regardless of the storm that we had. Tomorrow we're going to plant everything. It's going to be great. See you then. Y'all have a great day and get out there and grow something. All right?